In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditics website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
For trading tomorrow based on option flow. So we are going to pick stocks. Let's go to options flow. So we are going to pick TLT for the bearish flow, TQQ for bullish, and EWZ for a bullish flow also. Okay, let's look at first stock will be TQQ. So stocks. Okay, so here technically if you look at the stock, look at support resistance level. So it's at support, just bounced back to the BPAP. So the next stop will be the higher level. Let's look at the projections. It's projecting sideways to higher. Okay, now let's look at the stock is at 127. Let's look at AI. AI is negative. Okay, so let's look at option flow. Option flow is bullish, algo is bullish. Okay, so now let's go to the see this good option flow is not that many. There's not, there are some one order for 183 million, 873 million. 8.73 million. So option flow is not that heavy, but it's all calls. Okay, now let's look at the next stock will be HYG. So this is also index support resistance level. So it's basically from this support level. So resistance level is coming down to the support level here. So it hit before, so it should probably, it's a strong trend here. So let's look at the AI is positive. Flow is bearish. Algo is also bearish. $12 million calls, so heavy calls. 85, 86 dominant strikes. You see a lot of bearish flow. A good flow. It's all bearish. Let's look at next stock. It is TLT. So here, let's look at support resistance line. So here also basically we are cutting one support, one resistance line, and then we already came down, and then now it's basically support line here. So it's definitely a negative going down. Okay, now let's look at AI. Negative. Option flow. OR bearish. Lot of puts. So open interest is at 141, 142, this area. Very heavy at 141. Let's look at the open interest here. Here also 1.6 million is 143. So we are going to look at the technical analysis from the CPR. So CPR is a leading indicator, and we want to see whether what is going to be the movement of the stock. So here we are in TQQQ. So we are in a 1 hour chart, and this is a weekly CPR. So if you look at it, it basically is coming down from a CPR, and the next TPR is also down. So which basically indicates that this stock is going to move down for the next couple of days or 1 or 2 weeks. In a couple of days to week. So we are in a 1 hour time frame. So next stock is okay. So here also same thing. So if you look at the CPR, there is a descending CPR coming down. So it's predicting that the next 1 or 2 days, next week is going to be down. So if we move here, just coming out of the support, SR resistance, support 2. Okay, next one is same thing here. It's basically a descending CPR, and basically it's heading towards a support 2. And it's all bearish. Also the moving average is also moving down. Okay, so this is a very bearish sentiment. So we want to look for the next first candle, how it opened. Then based on that, we will decide whether to go long or short. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and share and comment. Thank you.